Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set YouTube Shorts as your WhatsApp status. Want to share your favorite YouTube Shorts as a WhatsApp status? In this video, I'll give you the easiest way to do it on both Android and iPhone. Now just follow my instructions and you'll be able to do it in no time. Let's dive into these steps. The first step is to download the YouTube Shorts. And to do that, just open YouTube and find the shorts video you want to share. After that, tap the share button and copy link. Let's try this. Let's go to YouTube. Let's find a short in the short section. Search for a short like this. And we're gonna click on the three dots. We're gonna click on share right here and click on copy link, or you can directly click on WhatsApp to be directed to, so you can share it in WhatsApp. You can choose either way. For the WhatsApp option, you'll be directed, the link will be copied automatically to a conversation that you'll choose the receiver. As if you choose the copy link, you're gonna have to paste it in the conversation. You can also use a free downloader like SnapTube or SafeFrom or YouTube Mate to download the video. The second step is to trim the video. Now, to download the shorts, just go to SnapTube and paste the link and select the quality and then download. As for the trimming part, WhatsApp status allows 30-second clips, so use your phone's gallery editor or apps like InShots to trim longer shorts into multiple 30-second parts. As for the third and final step, upload the WhatsApp status by opening WhatsApp and then go to status, and after that go to my status and select the downloaded shorts video and tap send. For more additional video tips, if the short is longer than 30 seconds, WhatsApp will automatically split it. And to avoid watermark issues, use a direct downloader instead of screen recording. And that's it. Now you can share YouTube Shorts on WhatsApp and keep your friends entertained. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.